Everyone. First, I would like to extend my warmest greetings to our distinguished guests, to our public school district, Mr. Cerrito L. Romero, to our principal, Mrs. Evelyn Cerrojales, to our guest speaker, Mrs. Mary Joy Salisi Salugsugan, RPM, to our Anas Barangay Captain, Asterio D. Salise, to our Kutkutan Barangay Captain, Mrs. Neliza S. Nalia, to our Pangian Barangay Captain, Fabian Namalata, and to other respected guests, teachers, parents, and fellow students, good afternoon all of you. We may fall, but we always rise stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. This phrase has been something I keep holding to remind myself, especially during my tough times. Kaya I believe na in this process of molding myself on becoming the best version of me, I would stumble jud aning a process, and despite, ang pinakalis na step para sa atong self nga pwede nato buhaton is to rise. Bisag pila man nakadagma na mahitabo, padayon lang kay partner ni sa atong growth. My journey has totally been a roller coaster ride, but this journey has taught me so much in life. It wasn't easy. People think I am smart, but nobody sees the sleepless night and struggles behind the version of me, just some of you. Maybe I am. Siguro smart jud ko. Pero not in an effortless way. Parehan ng uban. Behind all of these achievements, I work hard. I work hard to be here I am today. There was a phase of this journey kung kanus agamay na lang. Smile a bit or laugh. Third quarter na, and there's a minor situation that happened ganawad andyo po gana mo school. I feel like lost my spark in everything. Grades doesn't define me, become my mantra. The goal of me becoming a class valedictorian and maabot ang with high honor vanish in me that quick. Just because of a certain situation, lots of my absence in school, and even lost my spark in everything. During those days, I was questioned by myself. After this, would I regret? Kaya ba na ako to just my hardship and sacrifice got to waste in a snap? And that hit me so hard and learned the art of showing up. Showing up despite the despites, showing up tired, sad, happy, and even those tough times. Bisag wala na ako nakuha akong gusto just in the very start pa lang, I am still happy and contented na naakuan ni Ron, na naapil jud ko sa top 3. Bisag nakaingon na jud ko na, wala na ko labot na oy kay di jud ko kaapas sa mga classmate nga mga bright. Tungod ani, I learned na next time I need to keep choosing to move forward because this is life. We just need to embrace all the versions of ourselves, and doesn't mean nga mag-stick ka sa situation na down ka, but to use it as a weapon of life. Ana gani sa kanta ni Eraserheads, you can't win at everything, but you can try. For me, we are the real loser of our own life. Og dili ta mo try nga muhawa sa situation na possible our downfall. Standing here in front of so much people feels both light and heavy for me. Last, for finally making it this far and heavy at the same time for, for us, we close this incredible chapter of our life that once become our comfort home and second home. Today, we celebrate not just our moving up ceremony, but to also celebrate the journey filled with small victories, sleepless nights, silent struggles, and our hard works for it finally pays off. To my fellow students, here I am proud to all of us, still choosing to keep moving forward despite the despites. Above all of these achievements, I thank God for being my constant strength, especially during the lowest point of my life, for guiding me during times when I felt lost and unsure of everything, and for reminding me that I am capable of magsunod sa akong Papa Sally. Giving out ako dito. I always pray na kanina ko niya mag-pray every time na dili na dyan ako kaya. Gusto na kong mag-thank you kahit nagwa na ka. Feel dyan mo na yung presence nga na ako sa akong side. And to my teachers, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. You made my school year way variable than I could have ever imagined to be. Thank you for showing up on school, tired, restless, unmotivated, and happy for preparing the gathering all your knowledge to teach us passionately. Please know that even on the smallest thing you do, we appreciate all of it. And they will never go unnoticed. Thank you for the little push during times when I myself don't believe on my own capabilities. My heart is truly grateful to all of you. I am braver than I ever thought I could be because of my teachers. To our parents and families, words will never be enough to express how grateful we are, and our achievements is yours also to celebrate. To my family, this moment is yours too. To my Mama Jingjing, bisag wala ka ani, thank you for being my constant reminder that I can do everything in life. Their constant support become my core. For not being the parent who pressures her child in everything. To my Mama Waning, thank you for all the sacrifices and for taking good care of me from the beginning. Your unwavering love, support, and sacrifices will never go unnoticed, Ma. To my Mami Mira, Mami Lingling, Ante Rosal, and Daddy Donald, thank you for the financial support all throughout this journey and for the constant support that molded me on becoming the person I am here today. I am out of words to tell all of you how much it means to me. I wouldn't be here without all of you. To my Ate Kakay, thank you for always being the person I run in everything. Daghan na kay kagalan na ako since bata pa jud. I used to be insecure before, but because of you, I learned to believe in myself and see my worth. Ikaw mahinungdan nga nung baga og now, kada na performance task. You helped me become more confident and reminded me that I am enough just the way I am. Thank you for always lifting me up and making me feel valued and loved. To my mama, lola, and titas, uncle, and ate, you are the reason behind why I strive more in life. I've come this far, it's because I was surrounded by so much love that never gives up. To my friends, Jasmine, Gail, Princess, Aliana, Chloe, Jackie, Samuel, Fritz, and Arian. Kung mo kayo nga muwani ka, so kanapit pero pilo na ka. And to those I may not mention, your presence become one of my motivation to come to school. You guys made my junior high school way easier, lighter, and brings me comfort. You all secretly held some parts of me that I can say out loud. Thank you for the love, achievements, and struggle we've shared together. As we move forward, we may take different paths and chase dreams we once talked about having. A part of me will always carry the memories we've created together. This is not just an ending, but rather a beginning of something greater. Today, we don't just celebrate success. We celebrate courage, growth, and the strength it took for all of us to get here. Congratulations to all of us. Finally, we've made it. Thank you and good day.
Thank you so much, Stephanie, for your words that encourage your co-competitors. So before we proceed to another portion of our program,